What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am talking about the new Instagram creator program. I'm gonna tell you how it works, what are the new features, who is it for, and which are the best way for you to monetize your influence as well as generating more leads for your brand and business. Are you interested? Stay there and keep on watching. Welcome back to a new episode of Joe TV, the place for new coaches, content creators, and entrepreneurs. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Joseph Rubelli. I am a marketing and branding coach. And today I made an effort and I'm wearing a shirt after 2 months of lockdown. You probably don't care about it. I just told you anyway. What am I here for? I'm here to help you to up-level your brand and business online using social media in the right way. Each and every week you will find a new video about social media marketing where I give you strategies that you can use on Instagram and TikTok. And also on Sunday you will have a new video where I share mindset, my favorite books, and so much more. So if you're excited, smash that like button even if you like the shirt, and also hit the button subscribe. Don't forget the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload a new video, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well. And with this out of the way, I want you to stay there until the end because I'm gonna give you the right strategy to master the new Instagram creator program. Let's dive in. Here we are, it's real, it's happening. Instagram is finally allowing creators and entrepreneurs to monetize their influence on the platform directly. Now, this has been something that was kind of a news since January, but it wasn't really confirmed by Instagram. And I am really excited to be able to do this video and actually give you guys the right information about it, because I think this will be such an amazing opportunity, not only for creators that only create content as a job, but also for small businesses, because they will be able to really use the monetization feature to really start to generate revenue for their companies. Now let's dive into exactly what these new features are. The first feature that is happening is the new IGTV ads. Now IGTV had a little bit of a rocky start for the platform a couple of years ago. Nobody was really using IGTV very much, so Instagram wasn't really sure what to do with it. Instagram was supposed to have an IGTV platform that was supposedly the new YouTube for lots of people, but the main reason why people were not using it is because people were not able to monetize it, right? So creating content is time consuming and people really invest lots of time and money to create the best content in line to deliver value to their audience, right? And people were just using IGTV as a way to repurpose their YouTube content, for instance. Now, if you are an influencer or a content creator, you already know that the only way for you to make money on Instagram is through brand deal and affiliate marketing. So brand deals are normally sponsored content that you negotiate with a brand, and this is how you promote that product and service with an influencer marketing strategy. Or affiliate marketing is when you have a code and you are able to get a commission out of the sale that you generate through the platform. But generally speaking, there wasn't any way really to be able to monetize Instagram directly. So the creator program will allow people from now on to have the Instagram ads on IGTV. The Instagram ads will work slightly differently from YouTube. You will have an ad just mainly in the middle of the video, and it will be up for, it will be a range from 5 to 15 seconds. So this is a new way for the creators to be able to monetize that particular IGTV video, and the percentage the creator will get is 55% of the revenue. So it's really good the way Instagram is rolling out this new monetization for IGTV. I personally feel like this will really push people to use IGTV a little bit more. I don't know about you, but what I do with IGTV is really repurposing a little bit of a sneak peek of my YouTube videos there in line to drive traffic here, because this is the main channel where I actually post long content. What is really interesting is they haven't really specified whether you are able to monetize content that is originally only for that platform. What do I mean by this? Lots of people don't create new content for IGTV, they just repurpose something that is happening on another platform. So the question here now is, which content are you going to be able to monetize really? Are you going to be able to monetize something that is already monetized on another platform, or do you have to create something new? Now, this is something that I'm not quite sure yet how it's gonna roll out, but as soon as I know more, I will let you know. But this is the first feature. The second feature that we're gonna get is the new Instagram Live badges. Instagram Live badges is something that I wasn't personally aware of. This is something completely new, and the reason behind the Instagram badges is because Instagram realized that 75% of the people on the platform during lockdown were using the broadcast feature. Now, if you're going back to the beginning of the year, like January or February, only 12% of the Instagram audience was using the broadcasting feature. It was more popular on Facebook and YouTube, and people were not really caring very much about Instagram Live. But ever since the lockdown and that desire of people to really be able to connect even more with their audiences, this feature that isn't really new, it's been happening for a while, really blow up, which is why they decided to give the opportunity to creators to actually monetize even their broadcasting time. The way this is going to work, you're going to be able to purchase badges for your favorite creators. These badges will have a cost from 99p to up to $5, I think. And this is the way you're going to be able to get your comments and your engagement content, the way you engage with your platform, whether it's a like or whether it's a comment specific, will be able to go on top of everything else. So it will be able to be pinned in line for your favorite creator to be able to see it. So now this is the way for the creator to connect in a deeper way with their audience. And if there is a specific message that that particular person wants to deliver to that creator, this will be a great way to get seen. And also this would be a great way for the creator to really make quite a little bit of money when it comes to going live. Now, these are the two main features that are happening on Instagram. So the question here is the following: how can we really use the monetization program in line to market our brand and business? Now, the question is the one and only: what are the requirements for you to be able to apply for the creator program on Instagram? Now, they haven't really released much of a detailed list just yet, but what is happening is really about ensuring that your page and your content is in line with the Instagram Lives community, meaning that you have to have a general authentic audience, that you don't have to use automation, that you have original content that is being created by you, and that you don't have a page that is basically just reposting somebody else's content. So I think this would be the main points when it comes to applying for the program. But as soon as I know more, I will do another video and I will dive into this even more. So the next point that I want to share with you is how can we market your brand, your business online by using the new creator program. Let's find out. Now, let's say you are a new company, you are an independent company, you're a small business, and this is a great opportunity for you to actually start to generate some revenue for your business only through Instagram. And the way you're going to be able to do that is to create content that is telling the story of your company. You can create some IGTV where you have a founder talking about it. If you are the founder of the company, you can share why did you start this business? What's the story behind it? Why did you decide to actually focus your energy and your time to create that particular product or that particular service? Really be able to engage with the audience in a more deeper way, and also at the same time be able to essentially get paid to tell your story. It's a great way to think about how to monetize your influence on Instagram. Now, the question that came to myself is, how are they going to identify which content you will be able to monetize? And the reason why I'm saying this is because lots of people don't actually create new content for IGTV. For instance, I repurpose my YouTube video into an IGTV, giving the best part of this video, and then I allow my audience there to be able to check out the full thing on YouTube. So what's happening right now, Instagram realized that not lots of people are creating original branded content for IGTV, but it's just repurposing something that is being monetized somewhere else. So what they might be deciding to do is to be able to monetize only the original content that doesn't have any other sources. Now, I quite don't know how they're going to be able to track this, but we will just have to wait and find out. But what I know is from 2021, everyone that will be on the creator program will be able to monetize fully their platform, which is fantastic. We got to the end of this video. I really hope I help you and I tell you everything you need to know to really be able to use this creator program in the best way possible. Let me know what you think on the comments and smash the like button if you like this video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well as TikTok as well. And I will see you same time, same place next week. Thank you so much for watching.